What's going on, guys? Welcome to Weekly Goals Part 4, or Week 4 and Week 5. So for the past couple of weeks, I feel like I've gotten a lot of work done. There were some days where I actually procrastinated and I could have used that time a little better, but for the most part, I feel like I've done a good job. Alright, so in terms of my multi-threading stuff, I made a lot of progress. There's still some editing. There's still some, I shot most of the videos. However, there were a couple of videos which the mic was mute, so I have to redo those, which is just really demoralizing because those were a couple of very difficult topics. And I felt like I did a good job. So now to redo it, I have to sort of get that energy or that enthusiasm and redo those videos. However, first I will try to get most of the videos edited and see afterwards if there are any bad speaking habits or anything I'm doing that I could change for these two videos that I didn't shoot yet. So the multi-threading stuff is going well. For the YouTube stuff, I've shot a lot of videos. I just need to edit them, and once that's done, I'll be able to just upload them. So the YouTube stuff, I feel like I've made a lot of progress as well. With the multi-threading stuff, I've made a lot of progress. Then you have the third thing, the app. Now I've got my PC built, running. I've been running the app model on that and on the other PC, so it's been going well. However, there are just some bugs or some tweaking I need to do with these models. So I'm trying various different ensemble models, and some of them aren't working as I had hoped. So I'm still doing a lot of tweaking, but I did make progress with a different model. So there's a lot of progress being made on that front as well. So the three main things that I want to focus on, I focused on. And now with the studies, I went through the statistics course. I finished most of the computer vision course. I've been going through various Python blogs. I've been going through a couple of pandas books as well. I wanted to create a basic tutorial on pandas as well. So studying has been going decently. There's also a machine learning book and the Keras cookbook. I've been going through those as well. So I've been jumping around, but I feel like I spent a lot of time reading as well as watching lectures. But my studying has been a little scattered, so I could fix that a little bit. And there's also the Windows 32 API. There's a book on that. I've been going through that as well. So once again, my studying has been a little scattered, but I did finish statistics course and I did finish most of the computer vision course. So I'm on track with that. Alright. So those are my goals from the last 2 weeks. And now what do I want to focus on this week and the next week? Well, this week specifically, I have a lot of stuff I have to look over in terms of editing. So I want to focus on the editing of the YouTube videos and the multi-threading stuff. So with the videos, I feel like I've shot a lot, but now it's just the editing portion. So I need to look into that. Focus number 1 is getting a lot of stuff edited. Alright. Number 2, with the model, start model number 3. So I have 3 models in this app, and now model 2 is at a decent place. I'm still going to continue running it, trying to see if I could get improvements, but I want to prepare model 3. So model 3, I want to get that training this week, prepare the data, and see how this model 3 does. The next thing I'm trying to focus on is marketing for my channel. I need to create a website. I need to look into that, maybe a Facebook page, Twitter. So I want to start creating sort of a brand for my channel or marketing for my channel. So I want to start brainstorming that stuff. So the 3 things are going to be editing a lot of videos, getting the Model 3 started and running, hopefully on Google Cloud as well. Those are the 3 things. 2 things, and then the other one is going to be marketing my channel. So I have to see how to gain more exposure with my channel, or what I can do to improve it and try to maybe increase the subscriber count. So the other thing I want to do is with YouTube, I'm finishing up iterTools. So I want to start thinking of my next project. There's a few videos that I want to work on that's still taking some research, which is health and programming. This is something I also want to emphasize, taking care of your health while being a programmer. And there are a couple of series I'm looking into, as well as scripts. So I want to sort of outline what I want to do, or what type of videos I want to do for my YouTube channel. And this is after I finish the iterTools. I want to finish the iterTools series because I just found it interesting. There's certain things I wanted to learn, so I want to finish that series, then think about what I want to do next. So for this week, once again, just for myself, I'm going to reiterate what I just said, or summarize everything. What I want to work on is, let's see, editing. Get the videos edited. If I need extra help, get extra help as well. Continue at Model 2, trying to prove it, and start Model 3 and Google Cloud. If we get this week, that'll be great. Our number 3 will be marketing aspects. How do I promote my channel a little more? So think about that. That'll be number 3. Number 4 will be thinking about what I want to do with YouTube. After I finish up iterTools, which I think I finished up most of, what is the next project I want to work on? So still thinking about that. And the health stuff is also something I want to brainstorm and come up with. Alright, so those are my goals. Hopefully someone will write their goals for the week, and if not, then I guess this will just be a reminder of what I was able to accomplish and what I haven't been able to accomplish. But yeah, if you guys want to write your goals, I will also include them in the next video. Alright, that said, I will see you guys next time.